In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions in Adobe. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your device. If you are using a mobile device like an iPhone, iPad, or any Android device, locate the Adobe Acrobat app on your home screen and tap to open it. For desktop users, this means finding the Adobe Acrobat icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once opened, navigate to the PDF document you want to change permissions for. This is crucial because the permissions you set will apply to this specific file. You will see your recent files displayed on the screen, which makes it easy to find what you need. Next, select the Share option. On mobile devices, you will typically find this option at the top right corner of your screen. For desktop users, look for the Share icon, which is usually represented by a person icon with a plus sign. Selecting this option opens up a new window where you can manage access and permissions for your PDF. This step is essential because it directly leads you to the settings where you can control who can view or interact with your document. Now open Link Settings or Manage Access. In the new sharing window, you will see these options that allow you to fine-tune the access levels for your PDF. By tapping on Link Settings, you'll be able to adjust how the link to your PDF is shared. If you're on desktop, you might see Manage Access instead. This is an important point because it gives you the ability to set the privacy level for your document, ensuring that only the right people can access it. From there, choose who can access the file. You have several options to consider, such as anyone with the link, anyone in your organization with the link, or invited people only. Selecting the appropriate option is vital for controlling who sees your document. For instance, choosing anyone with the link makes it widely accessible, while invited people only provides tighter security. This choice impacts how your document is shared and ensures that your information remains secure. Next, you'll need to choose what recipients can do with the document. Your options include Can View or Can Comment. Selecting Can View means users can only see the document without making changes, while Can Comment allows for feedback or notes. This step is important because it dictates the level of interaction others can have with your PDF. It helps you maintain control over your content while still allowing for collaboration if needed. After you have made your selections, select Apply or Done to save the changes. This action confirms all the settings you have configured for your PDF. You will see a confirmation message appear, assuring you that your changes have been successfully saved. This final step is crucial because it ensures that your permissions are set as intended and that your document is now ready for sharing based on your specified criteria. As a quick tip, if you ever want to remove everyone's access, simply open Documents, then Shared by You. Locate the file you wish to unshare, select it, and choose Unshare. This method allows you to quickly revoke access to your document, which can be important in maintaining control over your files. With these steps, you can confidently manage permissions in Adobe Acrobat, ensuring your documents are shared securely. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing!